Here we have Edge BGP Router 1 with a direct connection to KTT networks and Edge BGP Router number 2 with a direct connection into TEC networks, both via Ethernet handoffs. We already have a basic configuration on our Edge routers, and if you'd like to see how these routers were configured, please take a look at TechSnip's video Basic Configuration of BGP on Dual Routers with 2 ISPs. We have one small change in this configuration regarding outbound traffic, and that is we are not accepting full BGP routes, but only a default route from each ISP, as well as locally originated autonomous system routes. For our inbound traffic, we're going to prefer the 10.84.132.0 network and the 10.84.133.0 network to come in through KTT networks, and the 10.84.134.0 and 10.84.135.0 networks to come in through TEC networks. As for redundancy and failover, if any one of these ISP circuits fails, then the other ISP connection would take over the affected routes with minimal downtime. Now, just to let you know, we will be doing other load balancing on our traffic. Our Edge firewall will contain two default routes, one pointing to 10.84.132.2 and the other pointing to 10.84.132.3. So this will basically create load balancing on our outbound traffic. And again, the appropriate router which receives traffic will just make a decision based on its routing table and forward it off to its connected circuit. Now, if there's a chance that when traffic, say for example, enters Edge Router 1, that it needs to go to Autonomous System 65222 here, it's going to basically cross this IBGP link and forward it off to its peering router. I advise that you print out the network diagram that came along with this video so that you can follow along with the configuration. Let's jump onto Edge Router 1 and see this configuration in action.